Hi, YouTube fam. My name is Roxy, and on this channel, we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you.
Hey. I hope everyone is doing well on today. Today we will be talking about 4 different positions working from home. They all range from about $15 and up, okay? The first one is with Andvaris Inc, the customer care specialist position. Right here you have the information. They're looking for the start date to be on 6/13/2022. Okay, 48 weeks of training time. They have a number of 27 openings. Alrighty. This is a 40 per week full-time position as well. Now, these are the states that they are not hiring for or hiring in. But my rule of thumb is go ahead and apply anyway, because sometimes they need people to fill those positions, okay? They go on to tell you what we do. What is a customer care specialist? When you start and train, and the training will be from Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. with a lunch and a break. All right. You have the primary job responsibilities here. The ideal candidate will have the following: strong attention to detail, love talking to people, and ability to wow customers on every call, excellent verbal, written, and listening skills, relentless drive to own the customer's problem and resolve it, and so forth and so on. All right. If you feel this job is for you, go ahead and click the apply now button to go ahead and submit your resume for the position, okay? Next up, we have TTEC hiring for a customer service and sales representative. Again, this is a remote job. According to Glassdoor, this job is $15 and plus again. All right. It tells you what they expect for as the customer service and sales associate and what you'll be doing. Also, it says once you become a licensed insurance agent on your typical day, this is what you'll be doing as well. And I believe they will provide you with the license. So that's a very good plus. All right. What you will bring to this role, what you can expect, and then they give you information about TTEC, the company. All right. Again, if you are interested in this position, go ahead and click the apply now to submit your resume. All right. Next up, we have Sarnova. If I'm saying that correctly, they're looking for a Medicare billing representative remotely. The shift will be Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern time. All right. It gives you the summary. The Medicare billing representative is primarily responsible for working claims after they've been submitted to Medicare. This position requires an individual who demonstrates strong follow-through, close attention to detail, and the ability to multitask. All right. It has the essential duties and your responsibilities, the skills and experience that's required for this, okay? So you'll go ahead and read all this information. If this is a good fit for you, you go ahead and click the apply for this job online up here on the top right, okay? Next up, with the same company, Sarnova, they are looking for a customer service patient experience specialist. Their working hours are Monday through Friday, 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time. Saturdays will be 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Eastern time. Okay. It has the essential and duties and responsibilities listed here, and the skills and experience required listed as well in the bottom portion of the job description. Again, once you read this information, if you feel like you're a good fit, go ahead and apply for this job online in the top right. And at this time, I do hope you all enjoy the content. Again, I will have all the links to the job posted at the bottom of this or in my description box, actually. So every job plus the pay will be in the description box below. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment, and hope to see you soon. Have a great day, guys.